Hey Amir, this is John Kirkpatrick. I reached out to you a little while ago, and I promised you this video. Sorry it's taken me a while to get to it. Now I know what you're asking yourself, why would I be doing this? Why would I be sending you a video and not asking anything in return? I just found that a lot of small business owners don't really have the time to sit down and really learn how the internet can work for them. So I found by just shooting these free little quick videos, giving them some tips and tricks of things they can do themselves, it really just kind of shows them that, you know, I'm an expert. They don't know who they can trust. A lot of times business owners take these tips and tricks, use them themselves to grow their website, and that's fine. I'm glad I could help if that's the case. But at the end of the video, a lot of times business owners reach out to me and just say, hey, I can see you know what you're talking about, but I don't really have the time to do it myself. Will you please help me? And if that's the case, I'll be more than happy to help you guys out. So this is your homepage right here, and I want to go over three quick things in this video. Those three things are content, citation, and backlinks. So let's talk about content real quick. Now, content is everything on this page that you see here. Every word, every sentence, every text block, even all the way down to your pictures and what they're saved as. So if you right click here and click Save Image As, we'll see that it pops up Ream, homeowner, HVAC contractor. So it looks like that picture is saved correctly because you want those pictures to be saved as something that is a keyword you're trying to be found for. So if we look at this one, clean air, I don't know if that's really a keyword that you're going to want to be found for. You're going to want to be found for stuff like AC repair, Mansfield, or wherever you guys are located at that you really want to focus on. That's going to be the keywords that you want to save those pictures as. And then Google really likes to see about 1,500 words of content. So it definitely looks like you're short of that 1,500 to 2,000 word number. That's going to really help you get found easier. If we look at one of your competitors, CNS Air, they have a lot more content on their homepage, a lot more wording, a lot more pictures. That's going to help them get found easier, having all of that content on their homepage. So if we come over here and just search HVAC Mansfield, you can see there's three different sections. Google ads usually pop up in this section right here, but a lot of people have ad blockers and they won't even pop up, or these are ads right here that people are paying to be up here. Then you have your Google Maps section, or called the Map Pack. This is businesses that get pulled up in here. They're not paying to get listed here first, and then you have your organic search results down here. So if we look at one of your competitors, CNS Air, they're pulling up first here in this Google Maps section. And there's a few different things that contribute to that, but the main one is the amount of citations they have. Now, a citation is just your name, address, phone number as listed here in your section. You're going to want to go out and get those listed in every single directory that you can. The big ones like Yellow Book, Yelp, Angie's List, Home Advisor, any kind of directory that you can list your business in, you want to go out and get that listed in there, because I can guarantee you these guys probably have between 50 and 100 citations, and there's actually tools that you can use. I use Whitespark to track those down, and you can go out and get every directory that they are in and then just beat them. Just go an extra 50. If they have 100 citations, go out and get 150 or 200. That'll help you get pulled up here first in the Map Pack section. They're also ranking as the number 4th organic search result, just searching HVAC Mansfield. They pull up here 4th. Now, there's another reason for that, and that's the last thing we're going to go over today, is backlinks. So this is your company here, A-1 Star HVAC. It looks like you have 153 backlinks coming from 53 referring domains, and you have 19 organic keywords that people are searching for, but it's not even driving any traffic to your website. This is a tool I use called Ahrefs, Ahrefs. It's about $100 a month, but it really helps you kind of see where your backlinks are coming from and where your competitors are getting their backlinks. So let's go over here and look at your competitors, CNS Air. You can see right here they have 2.7 thousand backlinks coming from 157 referring domains. And as my computer loads here, sorry. They're getting found for 338 organic keywords, and that's just going to be something that they want to be found for. HVAC Mansfield, HVAC Burleson, or AC Repair Fort Worth, anything like that. Those are going to count as organic keywords. That is driving 100 people a month to their website organically. So this is very beatable. You're just going to have to go out and figure out where are they getting their backlinks from and where are they getting the referring domains from, and just go out and beat them. We kind of use a copycat method. Like, if it's working for these guys, it's going to work for you. So go out and look at what referring domains they have. Go out and get those, but then don't stop there. Just go out and get another 50, go out and get another 100, 200 referring domains so you can absolutely dominate them and beat them in the organic search results. So as a quick recap, we went over content. That's everything here on your homepage. You're definitely going to want to add some more wording, more content, and work in those organic keywords that you want to be found for. HVAC Burleson or HVAC Mansfield, or wherever you want to have your service area at. Second, we went over citations. That's your name, address, phone number listed in as many directories as possible. That's going to help you pull up here first in this Google Maps section. And then to get your website organically ranking on this first page of Google for the keywords that you want to be found for, you're going to have to go out and get some more backlinks. So they are definitely way ahead of you on backlinks and referring domains. So you're going to want to go out and get some more of those. All right, Amir, that wraps up my video. If I can help you in any way, please give me a call. Or if you just want to take these tips and tricks, use them yourself to absolutely dominate your competition, go out and do it. I'm glad that I could have helped. You have a great day. Thank you. Bye.